So we at the crib. At the crib, oh. Like, bro, we was just homeless like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, but we not no more.
Like,
What they talking about?
sheesh. I think it's crazy. Wow. Don't mind my nails or my hands being so dry. Oh.
It fits so snug. Ooh, look at my baby. Ooh, don't play with you.
It's the fact that, what, 2 weeks ago, I ain't have no clothes. Now, everything I got a tag on it. Like, everything in here still got the tag. That's crazy. I'm rebuilding my closet from scratch. 2 weeks ago, my baby didn't have no shoes. Look at all these shoes he got. Peep this. Peep this. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
And counting.
You still putting... Crazy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I forgot I even grabbed these, but they fire though. Yes, sir.
Don't say that my baby, she got some heat.
I got some sketches. Real cutesy, real cutesy. Got some pink Crocs. I had to grab the pink Crocs. And I got these black and white Crocs. Gym shoes. Me and my baby had to get the matching force. Yeah. Had to. Together this, they call it a baby diaper caddy, but I just call it a rolling storage. So we're putting it together. First step is the wheels. So connector, then middle basket, then more tubes and connector, then top basket. So these tubes. All right, so we put these on. The next step is connectors, which is right here. And it's all done. That was quick, easy, and simple. Love it. I got 2 new tripods. I'm so lit. I'm excited. It's gonna be so clutch. Yeah. That girl back. New wig, who this? New wig, who this? Lashes done. Yeah. That looks so cute. These nails. nails done. They real crusty. Look at the crust. We at this car place, and apparently we can't get a detail or get the car service today, so we finna leave soon. But my baby is just talking to everybody around us and doing whatever. I don't even know where he is. He went missing somewhere. But I'm just ready to go to the nail shop and get my nails done, honestly. That's it, that's all. Because I need these crusty nails off my fingers. I think I might get hot pink. I was thinking about baby blue. But my baby's birthday is this month, so I'm not trying to get blue yet because I know he gonna want me to get blue. So that's what I'm gonna do in like a week or two or something like that. But other than that, I'm just waiting for him in this car. And I'm so glad we got our air fixed yesterday because the air was not working. It was hot, but now it's not hot. So I'm in here just chilling and waiting for him to bring me his wallet because I need to add his card to my Apple Pay. Like, he taking too long. Let's go this way. It's all doors. All right, I need to find a lanyard. Let's go back this way. They got all the cutest tees here. Snoopy shirt. I get one. So I got this, because I needed some makeup bags, and I got some graphic shirts. Papa, shut up. I will show you my shirts later. And I got this little display thing for my business, because why not? I don't know how much it is. It don't got no tag, but I just don't know which one to get. Strawberry shortcake? All the time. So we got done at Five Below. Now we about to walk to Lane Bryant so I can get sized, because I need to get some new bras immediately. So here we go. You just said you want. He just said he wanted salad and sandwich.
Yeah, but I want that shit in the house. Make it for me.
See how spoiled he is?
So I can be like, make me a sandwich, woman. No, I'm playing.
Just spoiled.
I love it here.
This is the store right here for me. You know they got grandma clothes, but like jeans and stuff, probably perfect. I like the color. I don't really wear this color much. That's funny. I know I got a feet.
You swear the line shirt?
The options is right here. I'm thinking, oh shoot.
What?
I did something to my camera. It's nothing.
Some good cookies still.
You wanna get one?
Yeah, hell yeah.
So this is what we decided to get. I got the salmon with some mashed potatoes and a side Caesar. My baby got steak, mashed potatoes with some zucchini. And some cookies on the side. It's the fact that we go in this Lane Bryant and I get sized. They don't carry my size in the store. Whose titties is these? Like, and then my baby be wondering why.
Her titties. That's who they are.
They gotta go. And I be telling them they gotta go. But I wanna have a baby first. I don't know. I might not get them cut off. I might not. Who knows? Who really knows? But a 40, what you say, 48 I?
48 I. I is an igloo.
That is insane. Like, who wears that size? Ugh, just disgusting. I hate it so bad.
Apple titty.
Don't start with the jokes. Because he made all these jokes in that store. And now I'm done with him. Now we beefing for real. So, stop while you ahead. See, it's cool. Because the ladies who watch this, they're going to know exactly why I feel the way I feel. They're going to know. Then he keeps talking about, why you don't like them? Girls be getting on the table to get them size boobs and this and that. That's them. That's what they want. That's what they like. It do be skinny women getting some big boobs though, like. But yeah, no, I can't do it. Like, these things is heavy and they be in the way. They really do be in the way. They really do be in the way. And he just think it's so funny.
For this car.
New ring, who this? Bussin'.
No, bro. Coming like door.
They ate down. So we at the crib. At the crib, oh. Like, bro, we was just homeless like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, but we not no more.
Like,
What they talking about? Talk to him, baby.
our groceries finally arrived. We finna make Papa put them away. Cause I'm about to do this. I'm about to do this video.
You ain't finna make Papa do shit.
Papa, you not gonna put them away?
You not about to make me do shit.
Can you put them away, please?
There you go. Ask.
Let's see how he treats me on camera.